Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Somalia Sustainable Energy Project Tender Notice. This notice announces an invitation for bids for the project titled Accelerating Sustainable and Clean Energy Access Transformation in Somalia, identified by Project ID P181341. The notice, number OP00336262, has been published on January 30, 2025, and has a submission deadline of April 14, 2025, at 10:30 a.m. The World Bank is providing financing for this initiative, specifically focusing on the design, supply, installation, testing, and commissioning of a 55 MWp AC solar PV power plant, coupled with a 160 MWh battery energy storage system at the Jazeera Power Plant in Mogadishu. The procurement method is a request for bids, RFB, using a two-envelope bidding process, without pre-qualification. The borrower's reference is SO-MOR 464597 CW RFB. The Ministry of Energy and Water Resources is the contracting authority, with Liban Ali Ibrahim listed as the contact person. The ministry's office is situated at the PAU office on Airport Road in Mogadishu, and can be reached at +252-770-980-456 and via email at procurement@gmail.com. The project requires a hybrid PV power plant for BECO, with land provided at the Jazeera Power Plant, with specific GPS coordinates provided. The plant must have a minimum solar PV capacity of 55 MWp AC, and a minimum battery energy storage system capacity of 160 MWh. The power plant is expected to have a minimum performance ratio of 90%, including grid controller frequency loop control mode with PV given first priority, best secondary and genset is thread 1. The project's delivery period is between 15 to 18 months from the effective date, and the point of interconnection to the grid is 33 kV.